So guys, even though I'm using Windows 10, this will also work for Windows 11. So you want to head over to search and type in view, network connections, click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to double click on your network adapter and then click on diagnose. If it finds any problems, it will fix it for you. If not, that's fine, we're going to close this out. And now for the second step, you want to click on properties and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure that use the following DNS server address has been selected. You're going to make the first line 8888 and you're going to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. I'm going to leave some commands down below in the description. You just want to copy and paste all of them one by one. So for the first one, Control C, Control V, which will then copy and paste it, click on enter. And now for the second one, click on enter again. Now for the third one, I'm just going to speed up from now on. So just copy and paste all of them. So now once you've done all that, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.